What's up, vlog? We're at Clemson University, home of the Clemson Tigers. We're playing our biggest banana ball game ever tonight. 81,000 people will be here. This is the biggest show we've ever had. We have so many Clemson legends. We met Dabo Swinney yesterday. He gave us the best hype-up speech. We are so excited to play here. Everybody's excited for the Bananas to be in Clemson. We played Clemson's baseball team last year. It was so much fun. It was an all-star game on November 7th, and we've got a lot of fun stuff planned for today. We're doing a halftime show where I'm singing up at the very top of this stadium. We got some celebrations with some Clemson legends. I'm not going to say their names yet, but you're going to see them a little bit later. So let me tell you about the field real quick. The field surface is awesome. The infield feels like an MLB field. It's incredible. The playing surface is great, but the dimensions are a little bit different. So it's 190 feet to left field, which is smaller than your average youth league field. And then to right field, it's 360 feet. So we had BP yesterday, and it was incredible. We were hitting bombs left and right. So I don't know if this field's gonna be able to hold it tonight. I'm gonna say we're gonna have a pretty high scoring game, but that's what banana ball is about, and it's gonna be so much fun. So I'm gonna take you guys throughout this entire day, and you're gonna see what it looks like from my point of view, being a banana, playing in front of 81,000 people at Clemson University, playing banana ball. So let's do it. Let's have a day. Thanks for watching. Peace.
What's going on, chat? We're out here, Death Valley. What we got on today? We got just a random #1 jersey. Shout out Dick's Sporting Goods. Got some LSKD shorts right here. Little sliding shorts, some Nikes on the feet. Come on now. Feeling smoother than lotion, baby. All
right, y'all, so Flood is doing some walk-up photos, so we're about to go do some walk-up photos with Flood. I'm rocking the all cat and gear today. I got the cat and socks, the chucks on, the shorts, and the shirt. So let's do this thing.
Yeah.
Dale?
Yeah.
New lens. I feel like I'm looking into a fish eyeball.
It is a fish eyeball.
Yo.
New lens, bro.
I gotta say, I'm in a new phase, baby, and I don't wanna change it. You're never getting off my mind. Not what I'm used to lately, but I just got.
All right, so we left the hotel at 10, and there were people already here tailgating, so we're gonna go say what's up to people tailgating and hang out for a little bit. So let's go see what they're up to. We're outside the stadium. People are all out here. It's early, but they're rocking and rolling. It's a good day. Let's go. All right, we're out here hanging out with everybody. Just met Brianna. Brianna made me a cherry lime. Look at this. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Boys, say what's up.
What's up?
All right, you guys are on the vlog. Say whatever you want. What do you got?
Go Bananas! Go Bananas! They're gonna be the party animals today.
Yes, sir. What jerseys y'all rocking? Let me see. Bill Leroy. Uh-oh. Dalton, Mauldin. Okay. You guys rock. Good stuff, boys. All right, we're gonna check out the team store real quick. See what they got. Oh, look at this. Yeah, they got a lot of good stuff. Look at these hats. Okay. Got some jerseys over here. Check these out. All right, so when we played here last year, I already got a sticker for my guitar, but I still might get another one because it's a football stadium instead of a baseball stadium. So maybe, we'll see. All right, so here what we do is we celebrate big. So if we hit a home run, we walk off an inning, get hit by a pitch, we celebrate. And they're usually like TikTok trends or songs that are trending, and that's what we do. So you're about to see all that, and that's for our rehearsal. So let's get into it. All right, so at halftime, we're doing Katy Perry Roar. Here's the choreography. I'll be up top of there singing, but here's what the boys will be doing.
For run celebrations, all run celebrations are going to be in the middle, up between the mound and the and home plate. So make sure we have that fixed. We're going to start with Rack's walk up.
You guys can be splitting this, and I'm open to changes, but if you could be splitting this baseline here, and then after I tumble down past you guys and get to home plate, then you fill in behind me, and then it'll be a straight on shot. And then you'll basically just follow me down backwards through the tunnel that they're making.
All right, this is for Rack's walk up. It's a Benson Boone song. I think it's called Mystical, and he's gonna walk up to the plate, and this is what we're gonna do. God damn, dude.
Not my whistle! I'm coming down.
All right, this is what we're gonna do if we get hit by a pitch. It's called the I Bet You Won't. Watch this. All right, first swings on a football field. Let's get it.
Oh. Bro's clip farming.
Oh yeah.
See ya!
Yeah, you are straight.
Yeah. KJ!
I got my hands like in that. Jammed. Thanks, Fox. All right, so it's not every day you get to take ground balls on a football field, and we have a baseball field here on Clemson University's field. So we're gonna take ground balls and do some trick plays. Let's do this thing. All right, little between the legs here, little basketball. All right, this next one, I'm gonna go like a backhand, pop it up, catch it like this, go to first base. All right, right here, pop it up. Boom. All right, the next one, I'm gonna go corkscrew around the head. Watch this. All right, so back in the day, Russell Dickerson was one of my favorite country singers, and he's here right now singing his new song. I guess we're doing it in the game, I don't know, but pretty cool. All right, y'all, we're in the locker room, and we are about to have a meeting about ESPN. Our game tonight's on ESPN, and so, yeah, I think we're just going to talk about ESPN, I think. I'm not really sure. I did just get to meet Russell Dickerson and talk to him for like 10 minutes, so that was really cool. He's going to be singing as well tonight, and so that was cool. Here's a little picture of us right here. All right, y'all, we're about to go outside. We're having a rope drop. We drop the ropes, let the fans come in. We're going to sign some autographs, hang out for a little bit, just to like say what's up to them, and then we'll be back inside. All right, right now, we just signed autographs to the fans, and we are back in the clubhouse bowling. I'm about to go sing in like 30 minutes outside. I'm going to sing one of my songs and a couple country songs. That's it. We're just having a good day. All right, y'all, I'm about to go outside and sing for the fans. It's about 3:20 right now, so I'm going out there in 5 minutes, and we're going to do this thing. It's a good day. Super excited. Excited to sing for the fans, so let's rock and roll, baby. All right, y'all, so right now it is VIB, which is very important bananas. I just sang outside. Hopefully I got a video of that, and if I did, here's what it looks like. Now we're going onto the field. It is VIB, which stands for Very Important Bananas. And basically, these people just get to come in early. We sign autographs for them, hang out with them for a little while, take pictures, do all the good stuff, and just hang out. They got early access, so we're gonna give them a good little time, sign whatever they need, chit chat for a little while, and they get to be the first access into the field. So that's what they're doing now, and that's what we got going on. So let's do this thing. So I just played the show out in the front, and it was easily 20,000 people there. It was unreal. So cool, energy was live, it was sick. So it's a great day so far. Let's keep rocking and rolling. What's up, bro? All right. Yeah, bro. Here, come right here. Hey, you already know who it is. What's up? Say what's up, J-Dog.
What's up? Go Bananas.
That's what I'm talking about.
Good, how about you?
Good, bro. What's your name?
Hayden.
Hayden. How we doing, Hayden?
Good. You recording, bro?
Oh, yeah. You want to hop in on it? What's up, Blah? This is Hayden. You can hear him right here. Say what's up,
y'all? What's up? Go Bananas.
Go Bananas. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Let's go hop on YouTube.
All right, we're at VIB. Got some friends want to say hello.
Hey.
Say whatever y'all want.
Make sure you go check out Dalton's new music. It's coming out soon. And comment down below what you like.
Serious. All right, y'all, we're at Clemson right now. We just opened the gates. Fans are about to make their way into the stadium. It's gonna be insane, and this entire stadium is gonna be completely slammed with banana fans. It's gonna be so sick. I'm gonna try to make this a transition. Let's see if this works. And we're back, baby. Got a lot of people here. The stadium is filling up. It's awesome. I got on the orange Clemson glove. It's a good day. We're about to rock and roll. So excited to be here. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're about to start warming up, getting this thing going. Me and Ryan. I'm rocking the Clemson orange glove today.
You are going to be tonight's fan challenge representative.
All right, so this field is so short, we actually can't even like long toss, but it's fun. It's like maybe 220 feet, maybe.
Now, we're here, we're the party crashers, we're here. And at this time, we're going to crank the party up even more. Put your crawling baby in our show tonight. Bring your crawling baby down.
Hey, y'all, and while you're watching my vlog, go check out Bloomer's vlog.
Yes,
as well.
sir.
Shout out the channel, Bloom.
Hey, at Everyday Bloom on YouTube. I don't know when this one's gonna be out. I got a lot of projects coming out, but this one, you're gonna want to watch this one. I just got a feeling it's gonna be an amazing night.
What do you got on score prediction tonight?
Ooh, it's gonna be a crazy game, hard to predict. I'm gonna have to say it's gonna be an absolute barn burner, 4-3, but the party animals get the dub.
All right. Good luck, bro.
All right, good luck.
All right, y'all, so I just got done throwing and stretching. Now it's about time for me to get ready to go sing. I'm singing in the air tonight on the field. It's gonna be awesome. This is a good day. Come on. All right, just did the warm-up. Party animals are coming out here. This place is crazy. It is slammed. Look at all these people, bro. Come on.
The extra hitter number 4.
Leave it throw.
Go Bananas!
It looks like the boys in yellow are preparing now for their grand entrance into Death Valley. And here come the buses.
Because this is the greatest show in sports. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Banana Ball!
All right, y'all, we're back on the field. We just ran down the hill at Clemson. It was so awesome. We're getting rocking and rolling. It's a good day. We're about to play some ball. Let's do this thing. Come on. Start the clock. Showtime. Let's go. Reese just caught that ball in his hat. Let's freaking go. Skull just hit a home run about 192 feet, and it went out. What can you do, though? That's banana ball. All right, we got Doc up to bat right now. I'm calling a hit. All right, Reese Alexiadis is up, and he's hitting a home run. Watch this. I feel like everybody up to bat is going to hit a home run. That's crazy. And it's not going to happen, but I really do feel like that, which is unreal. But here comes EJ with a home run.
The Party Animals have won the inning.
All right, so a little game update. We've had 3 home runs on the Party Animal side. It's 190 foot, y'all. Bloomer, Baber, and Skull all hit home runs so far. This is crazy. All right, Coach Rack is up, calling a home run. The ball is deep. That ball is deep. Woo! All right, here comes Russell Dickerson. Watch this. Hits his second home run of the night on the 3-2 pitch. All right, update. It is top of the 4th inning. Bananas are down 2-1 right now. Tanner Thomas is up to bat. I'm about to go sing at the very top of this stadium, right up there, and sing Katy Perry. Donuts for everybody. Get your donuts. Get your donuts. All right, I'm going up there to go sing. Wish me luck. All right, y'all. I just sprinted back down from the top deck. I made it down, did the halftime show, it was awesome. Now I'm about to go into second base and make some trick plays. It is a beautiful day. It is tied 2-2 right now in the 6th inning. We got some ball left, let's play some ball. All right, y'all, change of plans. I got to go in and swing it. I hit a ball to right field, got out. Still really cool to see everybody up there. That was awesome. Now back to the game here. We got a ball game to win. Let's go. All right, take a second to look at this stadium. Look at this place. It is completely packed out. 81,000 people. This place is unreal. This is the coolest thing ever. All right, score update now, though. It is 3-3 in the 8th inning. Just got a ball for a sprint. We're going to win this thing. Let's go. This is so cool, y'all. 81,000 people here in Death Valley. Look at this. Singing Yellow. Come on. This place is crazy, man. Look at this. We love you so much. Love you so much. All right, so Ziggy just hit his first home run of the year. Incredible. No doubter. Knew it was going off the bat. Let's start to Ziggy. That home run. What do you got, bro?
Well, the last 2 weeks, I've been having a dream. It's been this. Wow! Wow! What do we do? Do we run with him?
I'll run. No? Yeah? Oh, we're doing football. Football. All right, we're doing the football celebration. Watch this. I'm gonna block this. Let's go, Billy! Attaboy! All right, Bananas just walked it off. It is 4-3 in the 9th inning. If we hold them here, we can win this thing. Let's go, baby.
The last 2 weeks, I've only told my dad this and told one of my friends from back home. The last 2 weeks, I've been having the same dream over and over again. When we're playing this field and I hit a home run. Dream came true. You know, like, I can't even believe that.
Love you, bro. Proud of you, bro. Proud of you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
You're the man, bro.
Thank you.
Tanner was about 4 feet from a home run. All right, so the party animals are going to their golden batter. So this is a guy that they can put in at any time of the game, anytime they want, only one time. They're putting in Jake Skull. He has 3 home runs today. They need a home run here, but we're gonna get him out. Let's go, Haas. Had a fan caught foul ball. We got 2 outs, 1 more out, and this game is over, and we win Clemson. Let's go, Haas. Come on. Haas has just got to get Armando out, and it's game over. No! Bananas win. Let's go. 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 I think we got a surprise for everybody. Oh! Whoa! All right, y'all, that is the end of the Clemson vlog. Bananas take the dub at the very end. This place was so awesome. The biggest show we've ever played in our entire life. 81,000 people. You guys showed up. This was incredible. So much fun. We love coming to Clemson, man, and we did it bigger and better this year. So thankful for y'all watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is something I get to look back on forever, so this is super special to me. And it's also super special to me that y'all watch these vlogs, so thank you again for everything. Love y'all. We'll see you next week with another vlog. Peace. Here's a song snippet.
I don't wanna change it. You're never getting off my mind. Not what I'm used to lately, but I just gotta say it. Something about you feels so right.